Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo X100 Pro versus Realme GT5 Pro. The Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. Realme GT5 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $699. The body dimensions: Vivo X100 Pro height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Realme GT5 Pro dimensions: height 6.37 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 221 gram and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 218 gram. And the build: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card ported. The display or type of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the same Realme GT5 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the screen size is same in both devices, 6.78 inches. The resolution is same in both devices. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density is same, 450 in both devices. Let's talk about refresh rate. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with 144Hz refresh rate, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo X100 Pro comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 92% screen to body ratio, and the both devices come with Gorilla Glass protection. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor: 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with these optics, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with triple camera setup: 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 8K 30 fps video. And the front camera of the device is the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the same Realme GT5 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 4K 30 fps video with front camera. Let's talk about the platform. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Realme GT5 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset: Realme GT5 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 4nm chipset. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with Emoteless G720 GPU, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with Android 750 GPU. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with Android 14, Realme UI 5.0 operating system, and the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Android 14, Fun Touch 14 operating system. And the memory setup of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the same Realme GT5 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card port in both devices. The battery backup of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the same Realme GT5 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The Vivo X100 Pro and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 100W fast charging, and it comes with 50W wireless charging ported, and the both devices come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, but Vivo X100 Pro comes with IP68 rating, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with IP64 rating. The result of these devices: the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 25 points, and the Vivo X100 Pro got 24 points.